City leaders in Portland will decide on a plan tonight to help some downtown businesses as they start to reopen on June 1st. The plan calls for a handful of streets in the Old Port to be closed to traffic, and our Sean Stackhouse is on one of those streets this morning with details.
Sharon, good morning. I'm here in Exchange Street. This is one of those streets that would be closed as part of the City of Portland's plan to create an open-air market in the downtown area to help businesses return to normalcy. Now, the streets that would be closed as part of this plan are Dana, Exchange, Middle, and Wharf, and those would be closed temporarily, and councilors hope that it would allow businesses to reopen safely. Now, Cotton Street was originally slated to be part of that plan. However, that was removed when the city's Economic Development Committee reviewed and approved that plan last week. And as part of that plan, sidewalks, parking lots, plazas, and parklets would also temporarily close to allow adequate physical distancing. The city hopes businesses would be able to expand outdoor dining and retail space, and they would still have to meet state and CDC guidelines for reopening. The city says in its plan that fees associated with expanding existing outdoor space would be waived, and fees for parklet applications would be significantly reduced. Now, the Portland City Council will be voting on this at its meeting tonight. That will begin at 5:30 and will be held remotely through Zoom. You would be able to watch that meeting from home as well. And if this plan is approved, it would go into effect on June 1st, following Governor Janet Mills' plan for reopening the state. Live in Portland this morning, Sean Stackhouse, News Center, Maine. Lee?